In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with formulas in Monday.com step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will show you exactly how to set up and customize formulas to make the most out of your data within Monday.com. First off, let's head over to your workspace. This is where you'll set up the formula. Make sure you're in the correct board where you're planning to apply this formula, as this will be specific to the data you are working with. Once you're in the correct workspace, we can begin tailoring formulas to suit your needs. Now, you want to locate the Add Column button. This is usually found at the top of your board alongside your current columns. Clicking this button will display a list of various options, allowing you to add different types of columns to your board. Since we're focused on formulas, select the option labeled Formula. This will create a new column dedicated to your calculated data. With that new formula column in place, it's time to type in the specific formula you want to use. Monday.com provides a versatile formula editor where you can craft expressions tailored to your workflow. For example, if you want a column to display the word completed when a task is finished and pending otherwise, you'd write a suitable if-else logic statement. Remember, the key here is understanding the logic you want to implement. Once you're comfortable with what your formula should accomplish, go ahead and input it directly into the formula field. As you type, Monday.com can offer autocomplete suggestions, which is extremely handy if you're working with complex formulas or need to reference various data points on your board. Take advantage of this feature to streamline your formula creation process. Once your formula is ready, there's no need to manually type it if you've done it elsewhere before. You might have a formula from a document or another board that you'd like to reuse. Simply copy your formula from the source and paste it into the formula field. This ensures consistency and saves time. Finalizing your creation is just a click away. With your carefully crafted formula in place, you'll need to select the Set Formula option. This action saves your formula and applies it across the column, ensuring that your data is processed and displayed according to the conditions you've set. With the formula set, your Monday.com workspace is now capable of dynamic, real-time data analysis, opening up new possibilities for how you interact with your projects. By following these steps, you'll harness the full potential of formulas within Monday.com, making your project management more efficient and insightful. Don't hesitate to experiment with different formula setups to discover what best fits your workflow needs.